What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. I have here a speaker test. I have the Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Pixel 2 XL. Both phones have dual firing speakers. The difference is the Pixel has them more coming towards you, whereas the 9 Plus has one bottom firing speaker. But I'm going to test it anyway and give you an idea. I'm also going to measure the decibels. Each phone will be placed on full maximum volume. Let you know that both phones are set at its highest point. So I'm going to start with the Pixel. Now, this is a non-scientific test. I just want you guys to know this is just pretty much a consumer, how you hear, how you feel, you make the choice what is the best sounding speaker. I'm going to put this microphone from the sound leveler at least 3 finger length away. And I'm going to turn it on and play it, and you guys tell me what you think has the better sounding speakers. At its maximum level, it came in at 87.2 decibels. I like the way the mid sound on that. Nice bass. This wasn't a song that emphasized a lot of bass. I wanted something that had some vocals to it. So that was pretty decent. I played about 50 seconds. I'm going to do the same with this one. I'm going to set it up, do my little 3 finger measurement. I'm going to reset this, and I'm going to start the test, and we'll let it flow for 50 seconds. So the measurement for this particular song coming out on the S9 Plus measured out to 85.7 decibels. So now the vocals on this one sound pretty good. To me, it's pretty much even. It all depends. The mids on this one sound a little high. The vocals seems a little bit more, a tad crisper from the 9 Plus. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. As of the way I feel about this particular test, this is kind of similar to a draw. I don't know, but hey, you leave down in the comments who you think won. this particular sound challenge. Other than that, that pretty much does it for this particular test, the sound challenge between the S9 Plus and the Google Pixel XL 2 XL. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Please comment, subscribe. Other than that, I catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.